India-Oman relations go back centuries due to movement of trading communities. Now, these links have always been harmonious, so much so that land for a Krishna temple near the Omani capital Muscat was donated by late Sultan Qaboos to the Indian community. DD India's Gautam Roy has spoken with the temple's manager, Rajiv Sampath, about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's impending Oman visit and how it is expected to build upon an already strong friendship. Let's listen in.
This is the Krishna temple in Dar Said, very close to the Omani capital of Muscat. In 1987, the then Sultan Qaboos had given this land, donated this land to the merchant community from India here. The Indian community is almost 675,000 strong here in Oman, and there are two main temples in Muscat and around it. One is this Krishna temple, and there's a Shiva temple as well.
This temple is, we said, this, it was just 38 years past for this temple, for Krishna temple, and we do all the functions, all the community do the functions here in temple, and we have visitors of around 1,000 to 1,500 people every day.
There's something special about the idol here as well.
There is a idol of Govind Rai, we say. It's a idol, Krishna idol, but it was like brought from the, they say, from the Iraq, and to show the between two countries tie, there is a khanjar on the idol. It's a Omani khanjar on the idol, which we cannot see right now because of the Shringar, but it is there.
How do the communities here, the Omani community and the Indian community, it is also now Omani to a large extent, some of them have been here for centuries. How do they live together here in Oman?
Well, we have all the freedom here. Omani community is very helpful, including His Majesty is very helpful. We do all the programs here with all the freedom we are doing it.
Prime Minister Modi is here on the 17th and the 18th of December. What are your expectations from this visit?
India and Oman's relationship is from thousands of years, and Mr. Sir Narendra Modi sir, when he'll come here, we'll get more opportunities between the two countries' tie.
Thank you, thank you. So the friendly ties here in Oman between India and Oman, represented by the Indian community and the Omani community here as well, in complete harmony. They've been here for centuries, really, ties going back to centuries between people to people. And these relationships, they are expected to get a major fillip during Prime Minister Modi's visit here in Oman. With camera person RK, Gautam Roy, Dar Said, Muscat, Oman.